Imagine a world where machines perform tasks with unmatched precision and speed. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality CoreX Robotics is crafting. Our innovations are redefining industrial automation, setting new standards for efficiency and accuracy. CoreX Robotics is at the forefront of this transformation. Our cutting-edge solutions are designed to enhance operational efficiency while significantly reducing costs. Join us as we explore the future of industrial automation. From high-speed robotic arms to autonomous systems, CoreX Robotics offers a comprehensive range of solutions. Our expertise in robotic system integration ensures seamless operations tailored to your needs. We don't just provide technology, we offer comprehensive training and maintenance services. Our commitment is to keep your systems running smoothly, ensuring you stay ahead in the automation race. Discover how CoreX Robotics is revolutionizing manufacturing and logistics. Our smart factory automation optimizes production lines, enhancing productivity and efficiency across industries. Leading manufacturers trust CoreX Robotics for their automation needs. Our solutions are not just theoretical, they are practical, proven, and transforming industries worldwide. Embrace the future with AI-driven automation and collaborative robots. CoreX Robotics offers cutting-edge solutions to transform your business and propel you into the era of Industry 4.0. Visit our website to learn more and start your journey towards a smarter, more efficient future. Together, let's revolutionize industrial automation and unlock new possibilities.